You ask me who I am? I'm a spirit covered in beautiful black skin. I'm nature, sometimes changing more often than I want. I'm generations, Claudia yesterday, Pam today, Tyra tomorrow. I'm patience, sometimes having too much, other times not enough. You ask me who I am? I'm life, reproducing 5 lovely spirits on loan from God. I'm flesh, fighting with myself to do what I know is right. I'm joy, so full like bubbles overflowing a hot tub. I'm peace, laying out in God's grass, gazing up at His twinkling stars. You ask me who I am? I'm pain, hurting deep in my soul, but thanking God for these days. I'm light, shining so bright you may not see my face. I'm expressions, just look at my face. Have your questions been answered? I'm bones, strong and sturdy, yet never dry. I'm cotton, soft as I want to be, yet still the rock of ages. I'm water, along with time I'll destroy, yet you'll never thirst. I'm thunder, loud but unseen. I'm a palm tree swaying from side to side, never breaking, never uprooted. You ask me who I am? I'm a pair of moccasins, wondering will you ever walk in my shoes. I'm a rape, losing the fight, but never becoming a victim. I'm days, realizing and accepting that they are numbered. You ask me who I am? I'm ears, listening too often to myself complain. I'm sight, just looking to see the Jesus in you. I'm voice, trying to say the right things. I'm feelings, sometimes getting hurt, but gentle to the touch. You ask me who I am? I'm an heir of salvation. My Father created the heavens and earth. You ask me who I am? I'm time, tick-tocking to eternity. I'm mortal, headed to immortality. You ask me who I am? I'm the daughter of all I ams. You ask me who I am? I am His.